Hey there, welcome to another video on migrating Shopify script to function. In this video, I'll show you how you can create one discount code and apply different discount values based on some condition. For example, you have a VIP customer and if they use that discount code, they will get 20% off. Other people will get 10% off discount or any condition that you set, not only VIP customer. That is just an example. Let's see how we can do that. In the previous video, we created some functions using the function creator app. By the way, you can install the function creator app for free. I will link below this video. You can directly access that. So once you install that, you have access to creating different functions. Let's see how we can do that. To do this, we have to create a new function. So I'm going to create a new function. I will call it order discount because I am going to apply this discount on the order value. Let's go here, and for the title I am going to call it secret sale. So this is going to be based on discount code. I can generate a discount code like this, or I can just call it secret. How do I spell it? Just above, something like this. This is the code. If someone uses this discount code, I want to apply a different discount value based on their tag. So what do I do? This time, what I will do is I will have to find out which VIP customer we have. Okay. So based on customer tag, to do that, I have to select the advanced input because under advanced input, I have access to customer tag and product tag and collection tags. So in here, I am going to give them a conditional discount. This one is going to be for VIP customer. So how do I do this? Let's call it VIP discount. And under the customer qualifier, I say if a customer has a VIP tag. In the previous video, we learned how we can offer VIP discount for VIP customer based on customer tag. There are different options as well. If you go with the standard, you can see under the customer qualifier, you have email address, you have order count, you have a lot of more options. You can also select any of this qualifier in the cart. So if someone has a specific product in their cart, you can also offer a different discount value. For now, in our example, we are going to offer it based on the VIP customer and non-VIP customer. Okay, cool. This is it. And under the discount to apply, this is going to be 20%. Secret sales. I will just leave that like this. This is secret sale 20%. That's okay. And I'm not going to exclude any product. Let's save this for now. And it should save that. And here is the thing. Someone should apply this to get the discount. And if they have a VIP tag, they will get 20%. But if they don't, what do they get? Let's create another duplicate of this. This is going to be for non-VIP. And what I will do is I will just say none because this is going to work for other customers. And these customers are going to get 10% discount. So this is going to be 10% discount. That's it. And for now, I'll save this. It should work as expected. The other thing that I explained in the previous video as well is the order of this one matters. If this one is at the bottom, this is not going to apply. This one will apply. So you can reorder this. Let's check for now how it works. I have a customer that is VIP and this one is getting VIP discount from another function that I have. Let's disable that function for now because I'm not going to offer this discount to the customer. Let's just deactivate this one. When you deactivate a campaign, it is not going to run anymore without deleting. So let's refresh this and let's try to apply a discount code of secret sale. Okay, cool. What was the discount code? If I go here, this is the secret sale. I should probably add a way to copy this, but let's copy it like this manually. Apply this and you can see the secret sale applied here. And this is the $5 discount that we get because I am using this email address and this email address has the VIP tag. So what is the 20% of 25? That is $5. That's okay. Now I will use another email address. @gmail, and this is the email that I use. Let's just change my address to 1234. There is such an address. Yes, we have such an address. Did you see the sale change? Because this customer is not a VIP, it does not have the VIP tag, they are getting 10%, which is 2.5. I will go back to my customer list and show you if I do have that customer, because in the previous video we did check the customers. Okay, this is the customer and this is the email address, hujjat@me.com. This is my email address which I use, and this is just a random name that Shopify generated. And this customer has a VIP tag. You can see VIP get more discount. Again, if you change your card and change this to another email address, it is going to apply that 20% discount here. That is how you can see, using the same discount code, you can apply different discount in here. The possibilities are a lot. You can do a lot more. It is just an example of how you can find this two discount code. And if you have another example using the standard input, you can select different things. We had customer who are applying discount based on which product the user buy. If they buy product X, they will get like $5. If they get a product Y, they will get $20. Based on the price of the product, they offer discount. All of them are using the same discount code, but they get different discount offer. Fixed discount or percentage discount. No matter what, you have the option to do that using campaigns. I hope this video has been informative. If you have any question, you can always reach out to us. Thank you.